This charming colonial is now for sale in the Indian Lake community in Denville. Take a look at this precious front porch entry. Step inside to the spacious living room. It's an inviting, light-filled space. It has a wood-burning fireplace for cozy nights. The main area is open with a convenient plan. The formal dining room is just steps away with a great space for entertaining. This home has a well-designed top-shelf kitchen renovation. New kitchen cabinets, appliances and counters highlight the room. The island provides a great food prep or entertaining space. You'll find the perfect spot for a casual meal right in the kitchen. Gleaming hardwood floors really set a rich tone. Classic lighting and a country sink give a nice shiny touch. A super-sized family room is located steps up from the kitchen. It boasts French doors to the private patio, in-ground pool and backyard. You will fall in love with all the space. The open staircase, built-ins and molding create that extra touch of class and character. Upstairs, the beautiful master bedroom has extra space. Lots of light provides a great space for relaxation. The main bath is done in light colors with a great natural light and a double sink. The second bedroom matches the cheerful color palette of the home, with a nice deep window. The third bedroom continues the beautiful hardwood floors. The final bedroom is charming and bright. Back on the first floor, this well-planned laundry room is just lovely. Outside is the absolutely stunning landscape yard and garden areas. Indian Lake is a desirable, vibrant community located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. With a rich history of memories and traditions, Indian Lake continues to provide a unique and memorable experience for generations of families and makes this a truly special place to live. Year-round activities are available to lake members including swimming, boating, fishing, volleyball, horseshoes and softball. Enjoy fun weekend, kids events, live music events and social clubs. Come down to the lake for some filled days of fun for kids of all ages. Indian Lake is located less than a mile from the heart of downtown Denville. The town of Denville, known as the hub of Morris County, is a great little town located only 40 miles from New York City. Denville also has seasonal street festivals and holiday parades down Broadway that have been enjoyed by local families for years. Take a stroll down Broadway or Main Street, both filled with a variety of restaurants and shops, that all add to the small-town charm. The town is conveniently located near major highways, and easy access to buses and trains make it ideal for commuters.